spelling of sister. Okay, look, sister, sister. This has 6 letter. To remember the spelling of sister, look at the number of syllables present in the word sister. Sister has 2 syllables, sis, then tar, right? So this has 2 syllables. Remember this. I am going to give you another technique so that you can remember. Look, we'll focus on word association. Sis, right? A short way to say sister, sis. You can say like this, sis. Then you can say tar or har. We say tar is like har. Tar, har. Sis, tar. That is sis, tar. Like say like this. Okay, rhyming words. Look, sister rhymes with mister. And here Mr. and sister both ends in ster, sister, Mr. Right? I hope this will help your brain to memorize.